Good afternoon from MarineMax and Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be looking at a new arrival to our store. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. It's all new, brand new redesign in 2019 from the keel up. This was in the light blue with the white rub rail. An optional bow cushion. Optional windshield. Stainless steel wheel and the dash applique, low profile rails, optional bucket seating, 4-step stainless steel ladder, bimini top, and a Mercury 40 4-stroke. If you have any questions about this boat, please feel free to contact us at MarineMax Gulf Shores 251-981-1113.